Hey everyone, it's Lizzie. Guess what time of the month it is? It's Goose time. Now, we're gonna put this away. I didn't pull anything else for her to wear. She had that other outfit, but I just kept this one on. It was a pretty rainy month, so I kept this on her. Okay, nobody look, because she's gonna get naked. She's gonna get naked. And she's kind of too tall. Let me see if I can put up the camera a little bit so you can see her better. Goosey Lucy. Goosey Lucy. I gotta get like a container or something to hold all her clothes. So I got a new outfit. Let's see what I got. I got it from Amazon. I hope this is it because I thought it came yesterday and I was almost about to do a video and then realized it wasn't it. It's it. Super excited. Ah! Super excited. What did I get her? I got her a bikini. Let's see. I don't know if I can point it down so that you can see me dress her. Now, well, I was scared it wasn't going to fit her, but it doesn't look that big. So I think I'm safe. I think I'm safe. Here's the bottom of her. Now, should it be down or should it just, I think it should just stay like that. Oh my God, it's got padding. Well, it's got to go down because how am I supposed to put on her bikini top? I don't know if I have it on backwards or if this is good like this. Now, how am I gonna tie this part around her, underneath her butt? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hold on. I'm gonna take this off. Come on, guys. Work with me here. Work with me. I'm gonna tie this underneath her butt. That way it stays. I'm gonna tie the bikini top underneath her butt so it stays. Like that. Ah! Isn't it the most adorable thing you ever saw? And then put on her bikini bottoms. Look at that. Oh my God. So cute. It's more cute in person. Now, I don't know how I'm going to keep her sunglasses on. How do you keep their sunglasses on? Yeah, sunglasses aren't gonna stay on. Oh, maybe they will if you go like that. Maybe I can tuck it in the hat. So here's her hat. Ah! She's falling over, guys. Here's her hat. Oh my God, I'm putting her on the back deck by the pool. She's gonna be lounging by the pool for the month. Now, how can I do this? I can kind of tuck it in behind these straps in her hat. Oh my God, oh my God. Look, Look. And just wait. It ain't over yet. Oh my god. This is the most cutest thing I ever did see. I was kind of worried that I wasn't going to like the yellow, but I like it. Sorry about the crinkling. This is going to be a hot minute. Why does it look so big? Why are you so big? Why are you so big? This is going to take me a hot minute to fill up. Why are you so big? Oh my god, I can't even do it. Okay, I'll come back when I fill it up. Okay, it took a hot minute. But look, it's got confetti in it. How cute is that? And then it just goes like this. Oh yeah, but she's kind of small for it. It falls right off of her. I think you just gotta kind of lay it down like this outside. And it goes something like this. Let me see if I can move her up. It goes something like this. I can't get her whole body in here. There we go. It goes something like this. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. What do you guys think? What do you think about Loosey Goosey? I'm going to go try to find somewhere for her outside and then I will film it. I'll be right back. Okay, put her out back by the planter. Misty. How's she outside? Misty. How's she outside? Oh, she's on a leash. There you have it. Doesn't she look cute? I'll flip you around and you can see my pool. It's probably Luna went in it today. And there's the pool, guys. That's the pool for the summer. She left the noodle in it. And that back there is the horseshoe pits. So this is the pool. So I have her on the back deck. Don't mind that table. Then my patio furniture, and there is Goosey Lucy. And then over here, the pergola. We have the table. So yeah, this is an old one. This is the newer furniture. But they kept the old one for more seating area, and hopefully Misty doesn't pop this balloon around my goose. But I feel like she's gonna pop it because she popped one of the balloons for the pool. There you have it. That's where Loosey Goosey is gonna be for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, take care everyone. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time guys, take care. Bye.